Hi, fourth grade mathematicians. Today we are going to be trying a new strategy for division, but I wanted to go over this strategy that you should have learned last year in third grade with some smaller numbers. So if I wanted to divide 12 divided by 4, my dividend is my total things that I am dividing. My 4 is how many equal groups I'm dividing it into. And when we are multiplying and dividing, the groups have to be equal groups. That means there's the same amount in each group. So one way I wanted to show you is the array strategy for dividing. Okay, so since I'm dividing into 4 equal groups, I'm going to make 4 rows in my array. 1, 2, 3 lines will get me my 4 rows. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep putting in objects or dots right now until I get to 12 things. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now I have 1 dot in each of my 4 rows, but I didn't get to 12 yet. So I'm going to keep going until I get to 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm counting up. I got to 12. Now my answer is how many dots I see in each row. I see 1, 2, 3 dots in each row. So there's 3 dots in each row, and there's 4 rows. So my answer to 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And I can also show that as multiplication. 3 times 4 equals 12. So now that we've gone over arrays, I'm going to show you how we can use that strategy and our place value to divide bigger numbers. So I want to divide 78 divided by 3. My divisor right now, my dividend right now, this is my dividend, that's my total things that I'm dividing, has 2 digits, tens and ones. So I'm going to label tens and ones. I'm going to model my tens and ones using dots in each place. So I'm going to use my highlighter up here. I'm going to choose one color for my tens and one color for my ones. So I'm noticing that I have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm also noticing that I have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make my 3 rows because I'm dividing into 3 groups. So I'm dividing into 1, 2, 3 rows. And I'm going to take my dots and divide them up into each row until I can't anymore. So I have 7 right here, so I'm going to count until I can. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to cross off 3. I used those 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. I'm noticing right now I have 1 10 left here, but I cannot divide that equally into my 3 rows. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to turn it into ones. So I'm going to go over here and turn that into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I had 8 ones. I brought over 10 ones. Altogether now I have 18 ones left. So I'm going to divide those up into my 3 rows, as many as I can, make equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've used all 18 of my ones and I've made equal groups. So now I have my arrays, but it's a little different because these blue ones are worth tens. So I have 10, 20 here in each of these rows, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each of these rows. So all together I have 26 in each row. So 78 divided by 3 equals 26.